So with today being Sunday, I usually like to spend the day cleaning, vacuuming, mopping the floors, just doing all that good stuff. And especially with having Jackson, I usually have to do about 2 times a week now just because he sheds a lot more than Captain obviously does. And today's video, I was gonna just do like a thrift haul, show you guys what is for sale. I also figured let me include a little bit more things. I forgot today is a thrift store sale right by my house, so I'm quickly gonna run over there. And also I had a bunch of these t-shirts, which if you guys know, every time I thrift like a white shirt, if for some reason it has stains, I always throw it in the wash. And if it doesn't have, like if it doesn't come out, I put it off to the side. And for this very reason, I have the tie-dye. You guys saw me do the tie-dye a few while ago. And basically what I was about to do was I was gonna dye them all blue, and I said, wait a minute, I have the tie-dye kit, why don't I just tie-dye those vintage shirts? So basically there's like a Polo Jeans Co., there's Harley Davidson, what is this? This is a Pittsburgh one. So we have 4 t-shirts right here that I'm gonna quickly dye. If it turns out really nice, then maybe I'll start doing that. I'll start picking up t-shirts and stuff that has stained clothes, and I'll kind of repurpose it. I'll do a tie-dye, or I'll just dye them a solid color. I am rocking this crazy tie-dye shirt that I thrifted the other day. I was gonna post it for sale, but honestly, this shirt is just too fire to keep. The colors and like the design is just amazing. So let's quickly head over to that thrift store, see if they have anything good. If they do, we'll pick that up. Then we'll come back here, we'll do the tie-dye, and then I'll sit down and show you guys the stuff I have for sale. Keep in mind, right now I am running a promo sale. Everyone that enters the promo code EMC Vlogs gets 15% off your purchase, $15 or more. You enter, so basically if you have an item for $15, you go down to the checkout, scroll all the way down to the promo code, type in EMC Vlogs, and you get 15% off your order. So make sure you guys go check it out, link down below. Let's go hit that thrift store now.
Alright, so today's finds, we have this Pendleton wool flannel. Got this sick, just like native print button down. Vintage Chaps Ralph Lauren spell out. Little NASCAR spell out. The sick tie-dye shirt, Jamaican Me Crazy. It's all embroidered. I found 2 of these, the Terry Tunes denim jackets. I'm not exactly sure. At first, obviously, I thought it was Looney Tunes, but it is Terry Tunes, so I'm not exactly sure what's the deal with that. Did find this Fila jacket. Little hits right there. Got the staple pigeon, size 2XL, this little hoodie. All throughout, little pigeon right there. Alright, so we have the shirts in here, we have the dye. Let's get started. Alright, now that they're all tie-dyed, we're basically just gonna let the sun do the work. Last time I did it inside, this time I'm gonna just leave it outside, basically leave it for the rest of the day, just outside, baking in the sun. Is that too, I don't know what's better. Is that too bright? We're gonna try it. Alright, so basically I'm going to be showing you guys what I have for sale. Now keep in mind, everything I'm showing you is listed, linked down below, emcvlogs.com. I have 100 items listed. Also, I do have a discount going on right now. 15% off, $15 or more with the promo code EMCVlogs, so make sure you guys use that. Again, it is over $15, so you can add like 2 t-shirts in the cart and then use the promo code, so I appreciate every single one of you, linked down below. Now let's just jump into the finds. But we have the tie-dye all over, Jamaican Me Crazy. This is about a size large XL. Size large, we have the Chaps, vintage Chaps Ralph Lauren with the Chaps spell out. Size large, we have like this vintage Western style button-up short sleeve. And everything is really cheap. I think this is like $14, $10. And keep in mind with the discount code, you'll definitely like get it pretty cheap. This was pretty nice. I haven't found a Pendleton flannel in a while, but we have a Pendleton virgin wool. This is a size medium. This says size 2XL, probably fit in XL. Just keep in mind, all my listings do have measurements on it. But we have the staple pigeon with the speckle print and the navy with the white. You can see the little embroidered pigeon. Let's have like the double hood as well. Some zip pockets on the sides. And obviously, linked down below, there will be better pictures. As large, we have the Fila little track jacket with the Sony Ericsson Open. This on eBay goes for like $60. I think I put it for like $25 or $20 on my website. And then on the back, we do have the little Fila patch. Small, we have the Rolling Stones. This is another shirt that goes for like $60 on eBay, but I think on my website it's like 20 bucks. Double-sided. XL, we do have the Jaeger with the big bottle. On the back. Size large, we have the 1999 Daytona Bike Week. Little pocket tee on the front. This I might keep for my personal, but it is for sale at the moment. I just love the fade on it. We have the 2004 bike with like the flames going down. Then on the back, size large, we have the Florida Panthers. And what I really like about this, it has like a track, like ribbon going down the t-shirt. Size large, we have the vintage New Jersey Devils. Little hockey crew neck, logo athletic. Size medium, we have the USA soccer jersey. Dempsey, but it is peeled off, so it's almost like a blank, but still a really nice Nike jersey. This I forgot to show in a video the other day, but basically this is a 1988 Little Feet tour. On eBay this goes for like $60 to $100. I think on my website it's like $20 or $30 shipped. Double-sided, seems like it's brand new. And this is a size large. Summer is coming up, so low-key I might keep this as well, but we have the vintage body glove tank top with the all-over print. This thing's just crazy. The colors on this is perfect. Especially spring break coming up. Actually, you know what, low-key, I think I'm gonna try this on. I might end up keeping this because for spring break, that's gonna be perfect. Size medium, we have the vintage Nike jersey, little mesh jersey with the white, navy, and orange accents. On the back, we do have a swoosh as well. I don't know why this hasn't sold. This is honestly, people are sleeping, especially a size medium. I feel like that would sell instantly with the white tag Nike. People are sleeping on this too. We have the vintage Chaps Ralph Lauren little crew neck, all embroidered, size medium. Keeping down with the crew necks, we have the Florida Gators, all big spell out. This is about size large XL. Other thing people are sleeping on, size medium, we have the vintage Tommy Hilfiger Tommy Sports track jacket. The little red and navy hits all throughout. Blue-leg Burberry dress shirt. This is a size medium. Harley Davidson Bike Week. It's about a medium large. You have the big logo. And what I like is the little clown on the front. 1991, we have the Deadstock Cats shirt, double-sided. Another shirt that people are sleeping on. This is about a size small. We have the double-sided Obama shirt, Barack Obama. I picked this up the other day. We have the Dale Earnhardt double-sided. This is about a size XL. Otter shirt. I don't know if I showed you guys this, but this is like authentic Harry Potter merch. I'm not like a huge Harry Potter fan, so whoever is will definitely probably know what it is. But double-sided. We have the vintage Nautica backpack. It is kind of missing a clip, but honestly it works perfectly with the little straps. You really can't go wrong. This is such a nice backpack, especially for summertime, going to the beach, throw your towel in it. This will be perfect for it. Another thing that people are sleeping on, we have the vintage Nike tracksuit with like the medium swoosh on the back and like the white, royal blue, and black. It does have the matching track pants as well. It's about a size XL, probably could fit a 2XL, but again, check link down below, measurements will be there. But honestly, people are sleeping on it. I think I have this for like $40 plus shipping, which that's a steal. You really can't go wrong. Brand new with tags, we have the retro Tommy Hilfiger tie-dye oversized hoodie. Now this is a size large, but it is an oversized fit, so it could fit probably about an XL, and possibly maybe a 2XL if like, you know, you're really stretching it. But again, measurements will be linked down below. These things honestly are really nice quality. I think retail on this was like $150. Just super nice, heavy quality hoodie. Keeping with the Tommy Hilfiger, we have the vintage Tommy Hilfiger. This says it's a medium, but honestly could probably fit about a large. The forest green pocket tee with a little embroidered crest. I think it's like $10 plus shipping. People are sleeping hard. Brand new with the tags, we have the diamond collab with Puma. Retail on this was $60. I believe I have it for $20. It's like in the lavender purple. Now this is an oversized large, so it could fit about an XL. Have the Puma with the diamond all throughout. My favorite part is the collar, how it has like that checkered, or I guess it's diamonds, but it's like checkered like. And then on the back we do have diamond. About a large XL, we have the vintage Florida Marlins, and it's like a woven like flannel like t-shirt, super thin, perfect for summer. And getting into the last couple finds, we do have this vintage long sleeve with the bright colors. This is about a size medium. The ski, and then on the front we do have this vintage silk bomber. I think I put this for like $14, guys, like super cheap, 100% silk, just really nice, thin, lightweight bomber. And the last two, like I said, I do have 100 items. I don't know how many items I just showed you guys, but there is a lot more behind me of stuff that I just didn't show you. I kind of showed you guys like the cream of the crop or like the better things. For example, this shirt is crazy. You guys know I actually have one in my personal. I actually bought this for personal, but it turned out to be a size medium and it just was way too short. So it is a size medium, vintage 1996, and this is Dallas, Texas. I believe I have this for $40, which again, another steal. On eBay or so, this would probably be upwards to 60 to 80, maybe even $100. Last but not least, we have about a size small medium. I feel like Pablo, or sorry, not I feel like Pablo. We have the St. Pablo and the mint green with the red accents. Another shirt that people are just sleeping on. This is about a size small medium. I think I have it for like $24 or $30. So that was kind of like today's video. I kind of just wanted to show you guys what I had for sale and just let you guys know that I am doing the promo discount with the promo code EMC Vlogs, 15% off, $15 or more. I am going to let the tie-dye sit for overnight, and I will show you guys that probably tomorrow's video. And I finally got the Rollo printer in, which actually I'll just show you guys. I did finally get the Rollo printer. I haven't sent it up yet. Obviously today is Sunday, so I'm going to set it up tomorrow. I do have a bunch of packages to ship out. And low key, I kind of want to test out the printer, so that's why you guys should go down and use the promo code EMC Vlogs. Order yourself a package so that way I can test out the Rollo printer. I am going to do a video tomorrow of using the Rollo printer. I think right now I have about 20 packages. So if I get 10 orders, let's do 30 packages tomorrow. I feel like that would be amazing. You know, it'll be nice and easy to print. So I am going to get that set up. I'm probably going to break that bottom printer, but for the time being, I am going to leave that. And I'm probably just going to end today's video here. I'm sorry, it probably wasn't what you guys like, but a few of you guys do like the thrift haul / what's for sale videos, so those are for you guys. So I'll see you guys tomorrow for another EMC Vlogs at 8 p.m. And don't forget, guys, let's get it.